Hi, today we're going to talk about percent of change. It's how much something changes compared to something else written in a percent form. So, the way you find this is if you have two numbers, what you find is the difference of the two numbers. Okay, and this is going to be a positive number. You don't ever want a negative number. The difference of the values over the original number. Remember, you have two numbers, so you're going to find the difference, subtract them over the original. Now, the two numbers, it may start low and get higher, which is called percent increase, or it may start higher and become lower, that's called percent decrease. So, percent increase is the percent of change as something gains value. For example, if I'm going to go from 25 to 49, okay, we got to figure out what percent of change that is. So the difference is 49 minus 25 over the original, which is 25. So the difference is 24 over 25. Now, it's called percent change, so I need that as a percent. If you know 24 25ths as a percent, just write it down. Otherwise, you can figure out what is it out of 100. So that's 4 times as big, and so that's 16, carry your 1, 96% increase. Increase because it went from small to big. All right. So on the second one, Susie purchased a daily planner for $32. The wholesale price was $25. What was the percent markup? So the difference over the original. Wholesale is who sells it to the store. Okay, so that's the first person, then it goes to the second person. So, the difference over the original. So the difference is 7 over the original, which is 25. Written as a percent, that would be 4 times as big again. So that would be 28% increase. So the people who made it sold it to the store. Susie purchased it for $32. The store made 28% off the planner. All right. Bottled water cost $1.25 in the vending machine. This price is a markup from the wholesale cost, again, of 20 cents a bottle. So the difference in the two over the original, which is 20 cents. Okay, so we have a difference of $1.05 over 20 cents. So if I multiply all this by 100, then I get 105 over 20. That makes it a little easier. So I need to know what that is as a 100. So this times it's times 5. So I get 525% markup. If you want to make some money, go in the water business. So the people who put the money or put the water in the vending machine paid 20 cents for the bottle, and then you paid $1.25 for that very same bottle. Okay. When Bobby was exercising, his heart rate went from 79 beats originally a minute to 98 beats per minute. So it increased so that it approximately, what is the percent increase? Now, do you see this word approximately? That means we can round. So about 100 minus about 80, and it was 80 to begin with. Okay, about 80. So that's 20 over 80, which is a fourth, right? And a fourth is a 25% increase. So his heart increased 25%. So like I said, if you know the percentage for the fraction, then your life is even easier. So moving on to percent decrease. Notice we're going from big to small this time. Same formula though, okay? The difference over the original. All right, still has to remain positive. So this is 5 over 50. That's easy to make into a percentage. That is a 10%. And this time, since it went down, it's a decrease. All right, Carlos used a coupon, I think, not a coupe. He used a coupon and paid $7.35 for a pizza that would normally cost $10.50. So the original would be $10.50. His new price is $7.35. The original is $10.50. All right, so when we subtract, that's 15 cents and $3.15 over $10.50. Yikes. So what do we do? It's about 9:45. I don't know. So let's simplify it, see if it comes better. So that's divide by 5. So that's 63 cents. 63 over, divide by 5, 2, 1, 0. We're not getting any closer. So in this instance, I'm going to grab my calculator. And I'm going to divide 63 divided by 210. And I get 0.3. Huh. That just doesn't even seem right. 3/10? Yes. Okay, so that simplifies to 21 over 70. Divide by 7, you get 3 over 10. It does. Okay, so that's 30% or 0.3. Okay, so, and basically they got a 30% discount on the pizza. All right, Samantha bought a book on sale. It was $3.60 on sale. It originally cost $12, and so the original is $12. What was her discount? All right, so if we subtract, we get 40 cents. We'll bring it to 4, and 8 more, 840 over 12. All right, I can divide all this by 4. So that's 210 over 300. Simplify that again by 3. I don't know. 70 over 100. Oh, there we go. That's a 70% discount. Oh, that's a good one. All right, 70% off sale. All right. The boiling point of water is lower at a higher altitude. That's actually true. Water boils at 212 degrees at sea level and 193.7 degrees at 10,000 feet. So on top of the mountain. What is the percent of decrease in the temperature to the nearest tenth of a percent? Uh-oh. This one probably will involve a calculator. All right. So the water boils at 219 and 193.7 over the original 212. Did I say 219? 212. All right, so I am going to get a calculator because, I can. So we have 212 minus 193.7, 18.3. 18.3 divided by 212. So, 8.6%. So there's a difference of 8.6% in boiling point from sea level to the top of the mountain. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher.